Next Weather Chief Meteorologist Paul Deanno is watching the storm headed our way. He's back now with his full next weather forecast. And Paul, it's going to be a wet one.
It is going to be a wet one, and it's actually going to be a wet two because we have two different days with a heavy rain event. One's going to be tonight and tomorrow morning, but that's the weaker of the two. I want to bring up a map and show you what we're expecting on Saturday. It's not something that happens all the time, but this storm or the low pressure area is forecast or predicted to stall just to our west and be a pipeline to feed in tropical moisture. And this may be the result. This is Saturday morning into Saturday afternoon. And look at all of this rainfall for Orange County and the Inland Empire until about 4 o'clock in the afternoon. We'll re-queue it. We'll go back to 5 o'clock in the morning, all morning long for LA County and Ventura County. Saturday's the day where, yes, we get the rain on Friday and there could be some flooding concerns. But if this materializes on Saturday with this much rain and the ground already saturated, we could see a widespread flooding problem as a result. That is one computer model's prediction, but it's every computer model I'm looking at saying, yeah, Friday is going to be wet. Saturday has the potential to be wetter. Case in point, here's a look at rainfall futurecast stopping the clock tomorrow evening. Inch of rain, a little bit more, a little bit less. We can handle that here. But then when we factor in the rainfall that we get on Saturday, we're looking at rainfall totals from 1.5 inches of rain in Irvine to 3 inches in Los Angeles to 4 inches to the north and west. That becomes a bigger problem because you have to double those numbers in the mountains. And that would represent one of the wettest storms we've had specifically for the month of November since 1970. That was 55 years ago. So the average rain for the entire month is about 3/4 of an inch of rain. We'll get that by tomorrow morning. We could double or triple that by Saturday if that storm stalls and if we get all of that rainfall continuing Friday night and throughout the day on Saturday. You may be wondering, where's the storm? All I'm getting is clouds. Well, rain doesn't arrive until 8 o'clock tonight at the earliest. So yes, it's going to be a cloudy day, but today is also going to be a mainly dry day. Back to our next weather graphics. Here's a view from the Hollywood Hills, even a few peaks of sunshine, especially Orange County and also the Inland Empire. Really interesting character to the sky. Our Long Beach cam tilted up. And I thank the guys in Mission Control doing our cameras today because that is an awesome shot of the mid-level cloud cover that's out over Long Beach. 76 in Garden Grove today, 10 degrees cooler tomorrow. Next weather alerts Friday and Saturday. Metro Orange County will be very soggy. So rain begins this evening and overnight. Round one, soaking rainfall for the morning commute tomorrow. Bit of a break tomorrow afternoon. Round two could be much wetter, and that is on Saturday. Temperatures outside are warming up where we have some sun. San Bernardino 77, Temecula 81, Pasadena, LA, Santa Clarita in the low 70s. It's a little bit of warm ahead of the storm. Let me show you where the storm is right now. We'll go to our floor maps, and I love this view of the entire state of California and the radar image. You'll see it behind our anchors as well throughout the newscast. That's the atmospheric river. It's a narrow plume of heavy rainfall, and it's heading toward us tonight. It is not here now. It's not even to San Luis Obispo County yet, so we got some real estate to go before it gets here. Let's talk about the path of this storm because it's a unique one for us. We know this much. Storm gets here, we get a front. It's going to pour tomorrow. What we don't know for 100% certainty is will the storm just kind of sneak out of here like it usually does, less rainfall, or will it sit over the ocean and let that pipeline of tropical moisture sit over us for the balance of Saturday? That seems to be the more likely scenario. It's unique. It doesn't normally happen, but if it does, look at all that rain sitting over Southern California, and that would lead to flooding concerns, especially on Saturday. Today, we're looking at a high of 70, then we're in the low 60s for 5 straight days. My biggest concern, the next 2 days, Friday and Saturday, for flooding, especially in the recent burn scars. Our mountains could receive up to 6 inches of rainfall by Saturday night. Christine, back to you.
We are CBS LA. We are yours.